Hey friends, welcome back to the Fuel Within. Today we'll practice 100 short natural questions and answers you can use in everyday conversations. Here's how it works. I'll ask a question, then give you the answer. You read it out loud, and finally I'll say the answer slowly so you can check your pronunciation and repeat after me. This is simple but powerful speaking practice. We'll begin with small talk and daily life. Are you busy right now? Not really. What's up? Do you live nearby? Yeah, just a few streets away. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I'm free on Saturday. Is this your first time here? Yes, it's my first time. How about you? Do you usually cook at home? Yes, I cook most evenings. Are you tired? A little, but I'm okay. Do you watch TV at night? Yes, usually after dinner. Are you feeling better now? Yeah, much better, thanks. Do you take the bus to work? No, I usually drive. Are you good at cooking? I'm okay, but not great. Do you read before bed? Yes, almost every night. Are you ready to go? Yes, I've got everything. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football on Sundays. Are you busy tomorrow? Yes, I have a lot to do. Do you like your neighbors? Yes, they are nice. Are you into music? Yes, every day. Do you exercise regularly? Yes, 3 times a week. Are you on social media? Yes, but not often. Do you drink coffee every day? Yes, at least 2 cups. Are you learning something new? Yes, I'm learning English. Do you get up early? Yes, around 6. Are you feeling cold? Yes, it's freezing. Do you check the news daily? Yes, every morning. Are you ready for lunch? Yes, I'm starving. Do you speak other languages? Yes, a little Spanish. Now let's move to shopping and eating out. Do you need a bag? No, I brought mine. Thanks. Are you ready to order? Yes, pasta, please. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, water, please. Do you want the receipt? Yes, please. Are you paying by card? Yes, I will. Do you want it to go? Yes, take away, please. Inside or outside? Outside, please. Is service charge included? Yes, already. Do you want to try it on? Yes, where's the changing room? Looking for anything special? Yes, a black jacket. Still or sparkling water? Still, please. Would you like to see the menu? Yes, please. Do you want to split the bill? Yes, let's split. Is this on sale? Yes, half price today. Do you need a basket? No, I'll carry it. Pay now or later. I'll pay now. Cash back? No, thanks. Is everything okay with your meal? Yes, perfect. Do you want to keep the bag? No, you can take it. Would you like a sample? Yes, please, add dessert. No, I'm full. Is this your size? Yes, it fits. Ketchup? Yes, please. Sit by the window. Yes, nice. Need a straw? No, thanks. Next is work and phone calls. Can I call you back later? Sure, no problem. Are you coming to the meeting? Yes, at 10. Do you work from home? Yes, 3 days a week. Are you free for a chat? Yes, give me 5 minutes. Can you send the file? Yes, right now. Need help with the report? No, I've got it, thanks. Working late tonight? Yes, finishing a project. Can you hear me? Yes, fine. Want me to take notes? Yes, helpful. Available tomorrow morning? Yes, after 9. Move the meeting to Friday? Yes, works for me. Do you want to join the call? Yes, send the link. Are you in the office today? No, from home. Can I leave a message? Yes, go ahead. Do you need this signed today? Yes, urgent. Done with the presentation. Yes, just finished. Cover for me this afternoon? Yes, I'll handle it. Email it to you? Yes, please. Free for lunch? Yes, what time? Join the meeting? Yes, I'll be there. Do you have a minute? Yes, what's up? Working on the project? Yes, started today. Check this document? Yes, I'll look. Call them back? Yes, please. Happy with the results? Yes, they look good. Now for travel and social situations. Is this seat taken? No, go ahead. Where's the nearest bus stop? Just around the corner. Any free tables tonight? Yes, one at 7. Checking in today? Yes, 2 nights. Need help with luggage? Yes, thank you. Is this the train to London? Yes, leaves in 10 minutes. Window or aisle seat? Window, please. Is breakfast included? Yes, in the price. Need a taxi? Yes, please. Here on holiday? Yes, for a week. Want me to take a photo? Yes, that's nice. Is this your suitcase? Yes, that's mine. Do you have your passport? Yes, right here. Traveling alone? No, with family. Sit outside? Yes, if weather is good. Is there a pharmacy nearby? Yes, across the street. Want directions to the museum? Yes, please. Waiting for someone? Yes, a friend. Do you need a map? No, I'll use my phone. First time in the city? Yes, first visit. Join us for dinner. Yes, I'd love to. Stay in long? No, just the weekend. Try local food? Yes, definitely. Is it far from here? No, about 10 minutes. Do you need help? No, I'm fine. That's it. You've practiced 100 of the most useful everyday questions and answers. The key to fluency is repetition. Listen again, say the answers out loud, and try using them in real life. The more you repeat, the more natural they'll feel. Thanks for joining me today on The Fuel Within. I'm Jack, and until next time, keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.